The door. Yeah.
That was like, yeah, giving birth late.
Oh shit.
Because my brother is 32 years old now. Yeah.
Let's see.
And I turned 25.
You geriatric asshole.
Like, you already spent half your 20.
Yeah. Time flies, my guy. Time flies. Like a burp. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. I'm filming. Ooh. Yep. We're going to Johor. Johor. Gained a lot.
Yeah, getting fat. Because we visit like Keelung, right?
Yeah.
Like my mom's home. We just have a lot of.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, this is the arrivals area, I think.
Yeah, remember that?
I'm being a little geeky.
Oh my god, look at that.
Ooh. There it is.
Watch your feet. Yeah, Terminal 3.
Welcome to Terminal 3.
Wait, they're departing south again.
Starbucks.
They're departing south today. What the hell?
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I could find it.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Damn it.
You remember this thing?
Oh yeah, we got electrocuted there.
Oh god. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
There's no peace.
Yeah, they don't have that.
Out
Ooh,
from
baggage.
Doha to London.
From Hanoi. Ah,
You see your baggage?
from Jakarta.
You see your baggage?
Huh?
Did you see your baggage?
No.
Wait, how many flight a day is to London?
Jakarta? I
It's
think
a lot, right?
yeah, at most I think they're like 10 or 12 daily flights.
So if you miss one, is that $2 not real?
Sorry?
If you miss one, if you miss your flight,
It's not a big deal, yeah.
Yeah, if you go to Taiwan, you're fucked. you gotta wait for next week.
Yeah. Unless you're booked for the night flight though.
No, it's like if you last 1 hour of Singapore back to Taiwan, you're fucked.
Oh seriously?
Yeah. There's only like four. There's only 4. Like if I has one, and then there's bro. Us.
I've been sus for as long as I remember.
Is this a joke? But is there like Indonesian communism party from?
I don't know actually. And I don't really care.
Yeah, I do. Louis Vuitton.
Ah, here it is. Louis Vuitton. Let's go up. This
So it's
way.
Louis Vuitton.
It's Louis Vuitton.
Vuitton. It sounds so lame.
Yeah.
Vuitton.
Yeah, you can see the runway. I'm
Yeah,
not sure.
It's better. But just for using your.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Eh. Oh, arrival. Lufthansa retro and then wait. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Look at that.
here.
Oh, you right here?
But the SI flight. That's
Ah.
June. Yeah.
Air France from Paris just came.
I don't know if I would ever fly with the SI from here again. It's just so pricey, you know. Cause you know I get the business price from Taipei to back to Singapore for less than $1,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It'd be a nice deal, right? For business, for Florence.
Baby.
What is there, man? What is that?
Air Angola?
Bangladesh? Oh, it's Bangladesh. Yeah.
US Bangla.
Yeah, Bangladesh. You see the exiting using this exit, right? This is all calculated, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to dump the information into you everything. Calculate everything. Follow the procedures.
And I'm over here going, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you the fuck, man.
I'm gonna exit whatever the hell I want.
I thought A350 populated next to A380 there. Like A350.
Oh, seriously?
A350 is here, A380 is there.
Oh. I mean, this is like A380 territory, basically.
If you look at your eyes, it still looks very tight, you know.
I'm gonna get some high vantage point so I can get the 7874.
You know, when I was young, right?
You're still young, by the way.
When I was little, I was like curious about what's that hole at the back, you know? The little opening at the side.
Yeah.
At the 747. Air France.
Oh, we got Air New Zealand coming.
What?
We got Air New Zealand.
Ooh.
Oh, is that the? No, never mind.
There's a normal one.
I thought it was
black.
I thought it was the 200 ER.
They have 200 ER?
Yeah,
But not for long haul as well?
I think so.
Oh, that's cool.
From Auckland.
Yo, Air Bangkok use Terminal 3? Oh shit.
Why?
Isn't that all the international flight? Like, there's no all in Terminal 1 now, you know? Terminal 1 is all sort of different airlines, right?
Yeah.
Every counter is different. Oh, the exit, the taxiway so fast, you saw it?
Yeah.
They closed the reverse for us in the taxiway. That's cool.
Bleed Air?
No.
What?
Not bleed air, is the vent serves a function for the APU.
That's the intake, right, for the APU? Yeah.
Bleed air is the pneumatic out of the engine or out of the APU.
That's New Zealand is coming this way.
Yeah. They're going Terminal 1, I think.
Is Air New Zealand from Terminal 1?
I don't know.
Lufthansa. I don't think I've seen Air New Zealand here before, actually.
Really?
Yeah. Or maybe it's just me.
Alright.
Oh no, it's here.
Yeah. It's so busy here now.
Yep.
Airplane just landing one after another.
Yeah.
It's all coming from different operators.
Yeah.
Did you ever saw a full black one in person?
I have the 787. It's really
Where?
nice.
Here?
No, not here. I think it was in Houston. No, not in Houston. I forgot.
Not that back, right?
Yeah. Actually, maybe it was here.
Alright.
Yeah.
SIA 787.
I wonder where this one's gonna park. Oh, we got 7810. I saw so many of these in Bali. It's actually
Long
crazy.
hallway.
I have seen so many of these in Bali.
So there's a lot of flight to Bali.
They fly the 7, 8, 10, I think twice or 3 times a day. And I was spotting every day, so I saw so many of these. Maybe this one came from Bali. I don't know.
Look at the wings on it. Gorgeous. The wings on it.
Yeah.
That means like Singaporean loves to visit Bali as well, right?
Oh yeah.
Very popular destination.
Oh yeah. This is gonna go to the A gates at the end there for sure, Terminal 3.
But why?
Because it's SIA.
Oh, Terminal 3, yeah.
What the hell, why?
I think I parked there once, and then another is here. Another is there. Yeah. Because I remember like when I arrived here on SIA, like one is like turning left and the other one is turning right once I exit.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Where is this gonna park? Oh, right here. No? Oh wait, I missed it. It's gonna turn here for sure. Which gate?
Beautiful.
Which gate? Who knows? But one of these.
So Lufthansa have like 2 flights from here to Germany.
No, they have I think 4. 2 to Frankfurt and 2 to Munich.
Dang.
This one's from Munich, I think. Oh, look at that.
Isn't this super cool? Like you walk down from the lounge and straight to your gate.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
I think the Lufthansa livery is the best one in everything.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think mine is SIA.
SIA.
And it's not because I love SIA. Oh, there's another
Here's
A350 coming.
I mean, it's just one. It's so many.
Yeah, I know.
How rich are they? Holy shit. But I don't remember what's the yellow plate on the next to the door. What's that for?
What?
Is it a yellow plate next to the front?
Plane?
A little yellow plate to
A2?
the L1
Oh.
and L2.
Next to the door?
Yeah, L1 and L2.
Oh,
It's only a new livery. Like the.
I think it's the Star Alliance member or like Lufthansa membership
They write
thing.
something on there, but I can't remember what it is.
Yeah.
Yo, by the way, do you know like the ground crew here still like to film the Starlux? It's still pretty new to them.
Oh, really?
So yesterday I saw a lot of people still filming it when they text in, like, it's pretty cool.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it was raining then, so like they all like tuck under the
Oh, really?
To wait for the rain, and they were just. But there's still be like domestic A350 with this long winter, right? Right.
Yep. The domestic A350s have the longer ones because it's the new ones, you know?
Yeah. No, I mean like do they have the short and mixed with the long winter for the domestic one?
No, I think that the long range one they have.
Okay. Oh wait, this is not the lounge yet. This is just the sitting area for everyone.
Are you sure?
Lounge is the area.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is just the lounge area.
Oh.
I think. So you wanna go find the charging station first, or we go buy the drink first?
Where do you want to buy the drink? There?
I don't know how to look for it. Saying there's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, real. Yeah, for real. Yeah, I'm serious. Okay.
Wait, can I just like let my phone run out of battery first?
Sure.
And then I'm gonna.
Just asking for some pre-planning. We need some briefing, Captain.
Oh my
Let's
god.
brief.
This is.
Let's
We're
brief
not in the
Captain.
cockpit. We're.
Briefing, Captain. We make our lifestyle like a pilot as well, pilot. Do.
Oh my god, that's.
Okay.
What an exhausting life to live.
Cause for me, I actually did that because every time I go in there, right?
Hmm.
It's so tired, right?
I'm not sure about this one. I've never tried.
No, it's the same.
Oh, is it the
It's
same?
just longer.
Is it the same cabin? Really?
I mean, like 321 just stretch one. It's not. You know,
Yeah, but
not wider.
but it's newer. The A320 is taken from
Oh,
Tiger,
that's what you
right?
mean,
Yeah.
okay. But it's like the new aircraft getting tighter and tighter. Like if you can slot, if you can.
Yeah.
Stick in one more
It's
row,
budget though.
right?
I mean, it's budget airline, so
I mean, even Lufthansa looks very budget these days. Like look at their A320.
Right.
Look at like their what's it called? A320 fleet.
Oh
with
yeah,
the
that's nasty.
Business.
Mhm.
It was business.
That's
It was
nasty.
right?
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, I think people.
I can tell the difference
I
on
think-
that from EasyJet.
I think people fly Lufthansa for their aircraft.
Brain loaded.
For their aircraft. Because I would fly Lufthansa for their 747.
No, I mean for just for A320 or A321 family.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a difference compared to EasyJet. You know, it's the same.
Oh,
seat,
seriously?
same aircraft.
Really?
It's all new and the same new seat, just
Oh really?
just
I
so
have-
tight.
oh.
Looks very tight, but it is for me.
Dinata. Oh, it's holding short again.
The next one is 7810. No, it's a A350 from Frankfurt.
Oh, huh? 350?
A359.
This is the one that I flew on, and it's a nightmare.
You mean from Frankfurt?
No, this one. This
Oh, yeah.
this tiny little
This
bitch.
is CEO, right?
It's
Yeah,
a
CEO.
A320 CEO from Tiger Air, and it's like the worst thing in the world.
He's a CEO.
Oh, it's
He's a CEO, man. No, it's not funny. I'm sorry. I see they have the flaps. The flaps one. No, is it?
yeah, it is.
No, they
Fox
clean
one.
it up. No, they just clean it up. Yeah. I don't know why though, because in Taiwan they like especially in Kaohsiung they always left the flaps one to avoid the like overheating messages
Really?
for the system.
Oh.
Yes. Is the A350 coming in? Bro, we got three A350s in a row.
In a row?
Yeah.
Are they all SIA?
Yeah.
Really?
This from Frankfurt. The next one from Sydney. The next one from New York. Newark. Yeah, this is New York one.
Oh, I want to take that one.
Departure 17 hours 41 minutes.
I know.
Oh, another A350.
Oh, there it
behind
is. One just touched down. You can see the smoke.
Wait, it still takes almost 16 hours to Seattle. Holy shit.
Yeah,
God damn.
that is true. This is from
So
Frankfurt.
this is all the long haul A350 return time now? Is they all return at this hour?
Yeah, they always return in the night.
I mean,
Oh,
in the
this is-
evening, it's not bad, right? The start of the evening.
Yeah.
You know, late afternoon. Also, so I was talking about like sometimes they stop at the taxiways for do the after landing procedures.
Yep.
Like close the
Oh, I know
strobe
that.
light.
I know that, yeah.
Flaps up and toga.
Mm-hmm.
Toga into
Toga? What?
into toga.
No. Just touchdown and you're gonna do toga. That's toga to the gate.
Yeah. Saves time, man. Right? Saves time.
What's parking here?
It's this angle I feels odd on the 350, you know?
Why?
I don't like the let's go. The front view of the nose.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But from the side I think it is gorgeous. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so close. Holy shit.
Mhm.
Woo.
You can hear the engines.
Yeah.
So big. The engine's so big. Isn't this cool? Right? This is really cool.
I know. Oh my god, this is like heaven.
Feel that right. The smell is very pleasant.
Yeah. Oh, dude, see, the KLM is banking right.
Nicer today.
Yeah. The KLM is banking right.
That's to Jakarta, right?
Yeah, it should be. I flew on that flight before. It's not really good. It's just the crew are very, you know,
Nasty.
they're just very dull people.
The crew on the Starlux is amazing.
I feel like
It's amazing.
this is definitely a popular opinion, but I think Asian carriers have like better crew on board
No, I mean, oh, you mean compared to the
compared to European ones. Yeah.
States, right?
Mhm.
No, I mean just the compare the Starlux crew to SIA or any carrier.
No,
any
any Asian carrier.
I'm
s-
talking about Starlux.
Yeah. What about it?
Starlux flight can do such top-notch service.
Right.
as well.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I think they definitely live up to the hype, you know.
Mhm.
Right? How they
Yeah, I
branding
think
their-
no. Starlux definitely lives up to the hype.
How they branding their company and
Yeah.
how the actual flight experience gonna be.
Yeah.
In the end, like I would do yeah, yeah. So that's why like it's better now that I can drive actually because like
Scoot
he usually sends
Support.
to the left, to the right.
To the left. To the left. Oh, what is that? A 787?
Yeah, so they don't have 777 anymore,
And oh yeah, I missed that.
right? Time flies. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Like I'm still watching the SIA 330 and 777-200.
Yeah.
And Scoot 777. Now it's all gone. Just 788 and 850.
Yep.
Will we ever see a Scoot A350? I think it might.
Ah,
Maybe just doing like.
is that a
tests.
practice?
Yeah, that's just
Oh.
something that does it.
Oh, I thought there was like an inaugural flight.
Right. No, I think it's funny to see the ship lumping the towing operations. Is that the Thai smile?
No, that's not Thai smile. That
It
is
is Thai.
That's normal.
Thai Airways?
Yeah, Thai Airways.
But the tip, the tail looks like A320 or stuff.
It's an A350.
Really?
Yeah.
That tiny? I think it's gonna be taller.
No, it's not.
Does it look at A380, right? It's so
No,
much-
just look. Like the A320 tail is like not as tall as the building.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
So it's a white body.
faux show.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's towing it this way. Where's it going? What?
I'm probably towing to deliver to your
A
house.
new gate? Can you hear?
Caliper. You know, I just do recently, right?
Yeah.
I know that the things like the little like dirty stuff on the wings.
Yeah.
I just know that it like mainly consists of the oil of like shipping up on the wing. Like looking backwards, right?
Yeah.
Those are oils.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, literally oils.
I thought it
From
was
the
like.
moving parts of the
I
aircraft.
thought it was like buildup of like dirt or something.
So this is oil leaking, like going backward out, right?
Oh.
And there's a lot start collecting dirt and all stuff.
I see.
But why is it like dark?
Yeah.
Dark color because it's oil.
Yeah. What's the registration of this one? OJE.
Oh wait, I just realized they skipped the C14 gates. It's just C. Oh wait, is it C14 on that side?
Mhm.
So
Yep.
This is
Yeah.
odd number.
These are odds. Yep.
So the one in pocket yesterday is C14. C15.
There's the Thai. There's the Thai Airways.
It's 777, 78,
50.
Is there 50? Oh yeah, I see window.
Is this like a rehearsal of some sort? This is so cool.
I mean, I saw that all the time in Kaohsiung.
It's. Oh, okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Because
Okay.
I used to do plane spotting.
Mm-hmm.
Push him back.
Oh, this is the one that. This is my plane that I took from Jakarta.
Same aircraft?
Yeah, Romeo Victor.
Mhm.
I sat on two Foxtrot.
So dirty. You've been working hard. Eh?
Oh yes, it has. It's Scoot Slave.
You're gonna fly the Phoenix soon.
Fuyo,
Too bad
fuyo.
you can't fly the Phoenix anymore. Stop the engine number one.
You know, like if you look at it from like this angle, like from the outside, it actually looks pretty decent. Like I'm actually curious to fly on it, but once you're inside, it's like a nightmare. I'm telling you, it's like the worst thing in the world.
I've been flying AP20 once. And AP21.
On EVA, right?
No,
On EVA.
Transasia. Yeah, and Transasia.
Yeah, Transasia. Uh-huh.
AP21 is on the EVA and Transasia.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Oh, look at the pollution of the truck.
Yeah. Cafe in the back. Cafe flying A350 years ago.
1,000.
A35K.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just started the engine. You see the sport? You see the aileron just up?
Yeah.
And back
Mhm.
Is it?
Yep, yep, yep.
Mm-hmm.
Was it the hydraulics, right? The hydraulics.
PTU.
Oh, PTU.
Power transfer unit.
Oh yeah.
It's just pumping the hydraulic pressure from this system down the system. That's what it
Oh.
is. So when making a sound, it's like the pumping stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's doing so. But if you just turn on the electronic and start pump, they will do the stuff instead of the PTU, so you won't hear it.
Oh, okay.
They're starting on the engine one first,
Mm.
so you won't hear the PTU.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Because PTU only transfer the hydraulic pressure from the engine, from the what's it called, yellow
Uh-huh.
to blue, I think.
Oh.
Or green to blue, I think.
Okay. Yeah, because like for me, mine started engine number 2, so I can hear the PTU being activated.
individually.
Really?
You see that, right?
I-
Alien.
Uh-huh.
You never
Is it
noticed
individual? I had no
that?
idea.
You never noticed that?
No.
They have like a little stuff like windows next to every passenger windows.
I had no idea.
You see that? You see the windows have the colors, right? They paint every windows with that.
I know that they have a frame.
It's not frames. It's normal. It's like this, right? It's all white over like
Yeah.
single colors.
Yeah.
They paint like white, and I put on the rest outside.
Yeah, the frame. That's the frame of the window, right?
They paint it.
Seriously?
It's not
Every
a-
single one?
It's not a normal frame. It's just a.
I had no idea, actually.
I'll search for it. Wait, where's your phone?
It's in my pocket.
I mean, you check the charger first. You know?
But like,
They left like 20% for me.
Oh, seriously?
Getting home.
I can meet up with you
'Cause I
again.
got nothing else to do as well.
Yeah. So
my-
where do you want to
my-
go? Changi Beach?
Oh, shit. Oh yeah, we can. Where else, right?
Wait,
No, but like.
we can try
it
Changi
depends
Beach. We
on
can
the
go to.
wind direction.
Yeah, true.
If
We
go
can
Changi,
do-
Like in the truck.
I know.
Rather than like usual.
Yep. Did they do the ailerons?
I think they have done it. Yeah.
Oh, come on, I missed it.
No, are they using the rudder for taxi?
No,
yeah,
of
they're
course.
using rudder for taxi.
Why?
Because it's.
Oh yeah,
it's
you're
still
right.
Tense, but
You're right. You're right.
It's still tense. And now they're using the tailor.
This is gonna push back anytime soon, literally.
Yeah. But usually for Airbus, you do a flight control check on the go, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, for Japan Airlines,
Yeah.
for their Boeing fleet, they
Yeah.
also do flight control checks during taxi.
Also for like normal like Boeing aircraft for like Singapore Airlines as well.
No, like,
Yeah.
When I fly on 7A, they done all the flight control checks before.
Oh,
taxi.
when I fly on the 777, especially like when I flew like long haul,
Yeah.
they always do it when they're on the go.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Because remember the 10 years ago, I flew on SIA, they still does that.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's more Boeing. You make sure everything is alright.
Yeah.
And then go. I think they have already done it.
Wait, after this, do you want to get some dinner first?
Now I want to eat here.
Yeah, you're gonna eat here, right? Oh, there's something taxing over there.
Where?
Oh, it's.
there.
I think it's pulling up or something.
And the tuck is connected. Like, you push it out, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And
But
you hear
like-
conk and everything.
oh really? I don't notice that actually.
I think you have to hurry that when you sit in front of the aircraft. That's in business, right?
Ah,
So
yeah.
near the front wheel. But it's funny that you can hear the front wheel.
When it's like retracting or?
Yeah, when you retract it, like
Mhm.
you hear it.
Yeah, yeah.
Or when it, like you go over the runway center, like you hear boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Pretty cool. But I feel like the takeoff feels so much nicer in business. Cause you're not like dropping down and take off. You're like lifting up and just go.
Yeah, you're right.
Basically, you have to see in front of the engine.
Mm-hmm. I can't wait to hear the start out for this one.
Yeah. I think what you're feeling is the top connect to the aircraft, not the.
Well, it's pushing back outwards.
Yeah. Probably don't have a lot of sound, right?
That's all right. At least I can see the air.
Engines.
Yeah.
Is that a horse on the? Is it little logo?
Oh,
on the
never mind. It's turning
engines?
this way.
Is it a horse
it's
with a
a,
wing?
it's a winged horse with like a tail, a seat, like mermaid tail or something.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's a mythical figure. I forgot what it is called though. Air France. Madame, monsieur. Bonjour et bienvenue à la barre.
Is that safety videos?
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Oh yeah.
It's man's first day on the job.
Hmm?
It's his first day on the job.
Who?
The tow truck guy.
Why?
Look, it's not in the middle.
It is.
It's not center line.
It's okay. Pretty much on the center line. You have to see the one in the States, bro.
Huh?
Did you ever saw the one in the States? They
Why?
just push back at 45 degrees and then they just left you there.
Seriously? I haven't seen it.
You don't know about that?
No
The
idea.
tow truck never push you on the taxiway. Like never.
I actually have no idea. No.
Yeah, we compare the Asia one, ours is so much nicer. The service they give us.
We're just elite.
I think for States because they get used to the ramp, the ramp system.
Uh-huh.
There's no taxiway here, just ramp, right?
Yeah.
And just they push
Oh,
back
never
to
mind.
whatever space you
It's
have.
pulling it forward. Oh my god, it's such...
How long is 777?
Wait.
WL is like 72 meters. The fuselage?
68.
68.
Yeah. Is it 68?
I think it's like around 70 meters, I remember.
Oh, you're right, 73. 73 meters. 73 meters. 68
think,
is... 68 is like the wingspan of...
Towing the 70 meters long stuff is pretty hard now.
68 is, I think, the wingspan of this, or the wingspan of the 747-8. Why is it towing out that way?
Maybe.
Interesting.
Because we saw okay when last time, just put it in here, it's not in here.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
that's interesting. Oh, there's Cathay.
Back to Hong Kong.
Gong Hong.
Gong Hong.
Back to King Kong. I'm sorry.
Or maybe they're changing the gate.
Why?
I don't know. But
They started engine 1 already.
Oh yeah. Now because it's still windmilling as well. See the engine number 2 is turning as well.
Yeah.
It's windmilling as well. Is
Yep.
it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Maybe because it was off. Okay, maybe it was because when
Oh yeah, it's not there.
That's so weird.
I'm waiting 6 hours in fact,
But sometimes it does that.
place.
Mm.
That's right. But I don't think that was my original flight route in August was probably like 1 or 2 hours in Frederick or something like this. But in that time I would have made it back to Moscow. It's crazy.
British. Oh, they fly through the thing.
Oh!
That's
Oh,
cool.
hello.
I mean it's expensive and stuff, but I
Yo, I think they're changing the gate.
You think so?
The engine's not running. The compressor is the type like heat blade. Heat blade coming out. Oh, is it? Is it a heat blade coming out from the engine?
Huh?
Is
Yeah,
any heat
that's-
blade coming out from the engine?
Yeah.
Because I don't see any though. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
But they does have pilots in the cockpit though.
Yeah. And there are passengers, as far as I know.
How do you know it's a passenger?
Because there's... Well, I don't
How
know.
do you know?
I don't know. That's a very good question.
Yeah, I think they changed the gate. See?
Yeah, you're right. They're changing gates.
They basically just told the whole crew in the air what happened to that gate. Because it happens to me last time when I would fly the SIA back to Taiwan.
Uh-huh.
So they just disembark every passenger, right?
Yeah.
And just push them back straight into the...
Oh, okay.
And the crew is just going there for the ride.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's fun.
You don't make them walk, man. You just stay there.
Well, obviously, yeah. Where are you going to tow this guy?
That to the... What? East wind?
No, they're turning it left.
Yo, where you going?
What?
Where you going? Where you going?
I was like, bye.
Is the passenger in the containers there or something?
The
Overcharger.
cable. The cable.
Fucking hell. Nah, it's okay.
Not the power bank. Not the power bank.
okay.
Yeah. Besides, like, I don't need my phone to get back. You know.
I need to listen to music, so.
I don't need to, so I'm fine.
Alright.
I'll give you my charger. I needed the charger at first because I wanted to like record like plane footage.
Maybe you left me with like 15% something.
No, trust me, I'm gonna give you my charger.
I don't want to stay there to charge.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. You need, cause like you need this more than I do.
Wait, how they just told the crew to there? What are they doing? The crew's still here, man.
I have no idea. Where is this guy coming? Left or right?
You mean BA?
Oh, it's this one, D32.
How do you know? How do you know?
Cause you can see the screen.
Oh, okay.
It's
What's
gonna
it saying?
B77W.
Ah, okay, cool.
This is also where my KLM parked, by the way.
Because my eyesight now is kind of not that good right now. Not that good now. So.
Oh, stop it. It might not be good, but you're still amazing.
This one's equipped the first class. You see, that's it.
Yep, it's blurred out, right?
Blurred out?
I mean, it's closed off.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Wait, they didn't equip with the track stuff?
I think so.
Oh shit. That's British pilot skill.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even know there's an option. How is there making options?
I don't know.
Interesting. What if they tail track the aircraft? What if?
Stop. Okay. Well done, Captain.